Kubernetes is a buzzword in the developer community, but is it really worth the hype? Whether you're new to container orchestration or just curious, let's dive into what Kubernetes offers and whether it's the right fit for your projects. Kubernetes is an open source platform designed for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It's like a conductor for your apps, ensuring they run smoothly across clusters of machines. For developers, this means less manual intervention and more efficiency. The user experience is fairly intuitive, especially for those familiar with container technology like Docker. What stands out immediately is its robust community support and extensive documentation, which can be a lifesaver when you're stuck. However, for beginners, the learning curve can feel a bit steep. You might find yourself overwhelmed by the terminology and concepts like pods, nodes, and services. It's definitely powerful, but that power comes with complexity. Also, while it's designed to handle large-scale applications, smaller projects may not need all its features, leaving some users wondering if it's overkill for their needs. On the plus side, Kubernetes excels in scalability and flexibility, making it a great choice for large applications that need to grow. The strong community and ecosystem provide a wealth of resources and third-party tools, which can enhance its capabilities. However, there are drawbacks. The complexity can be daunting for newcomers, and setting it up requires a fair amount of time and technical skill. Additionally, for smaller projects or teams, the overhead might not justify the benefits. Some users have also raised concerns about the lack of transparency in certain aspects, especially regarding resource management and cost implications. If you're a solo developer or working on a small team, you might want to consider simpler alternatives that can get the job done without the fuss. If you're a developer working on large-scale applications or planning to scale up, Kubernetes is definitely worth considering. But if you're just starting out or have smaller projects, you might want to explore simpler options first. Overall, while Kubernetes has its strengths, it's not for everyone. Proceed with caution and do your research.